Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Louisa, and on today's video I'll be teaching how to attach a ready-made collar to a dress. You will first turn the neck of your dress and get the middle point of the neck and mark it. After marking, also get the middle point of the collar also, and pin the two together. You pin it so close to the neck, to the edge of the neck. See as I did it. Now this is the measurement I used in cutting the neck, so it will correspond with the collar. I've gone ahead to pin it down all through. Are you seeing it? See the back of the neck. It's so close to the neck. What you will do now is to sew it together. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to this channel for more sewing tips. And also put a notification bell to be notified each time new video is uploaded. You will sew it all through the neck. As you are sewing, you'll be removing the pin that you used and pin it down. I've sewed it all through. It's so simple to sew. You see? What you will do is just to zip your clothes up and button the collar. And ta-da! The dress is ready. See how neat and beautiful it is. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more sewing tips. Thank you. Bye.